Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, my
right? You know, call, you know, check up on your baby. How can you be a mother? How can you be a mother? Even if you send your child, you could have called a child and check up on your blood clot child. You never do it. And you want to come claim mother job. You don't know mama blood clots. Because you want to go moving with crazy. You could have moved with a blood clot. Pitting dirty Shay. Stinking blood clots. Sorry, I don't want to call it Shay. No zinc shoes. Because you be a father. Your baby father claim to say you come from Jamaica with a zinc shoes, my love. And the man say him never want the lightning catch him in the house and fling out the zinc shoes. So me go address it as blood class zinc shoes, my love. Zinc shoes. Mama address you may talk to zinc shoes. Zinc shoes. How can you be a mother? You are gonna live with man and blood clot France zinc shoes. Why you never did blood clot take your child and go to France? Why you send your child we are blood clot England and you don't know the girl? You don't know the blood clot girl, you send a child a blood clot England. And you don't know nothing about the blood clot girl, my love. You never see the girl yet. You're wicked mama zinc shoes. You're wicked blood clot mama, my love. Stinky dinky. Stinky dinky gingerbite is. It's a wicked blood clot mama. Anybody will agree with Shay, them wicked too. Anybody will sit down and agree with what Shay do? Shame on you. Shame on you, because I could never take my baby and send my baby to somewhere that me never see my blood clot. When me never see the girl face yet. For what? That mean it seems like you don't want that baby. You don't want the baby, no? Them take with the baby. You now get back the blood clot, baby, me love. You now get back the baby. You want to come class, girl, mama, your mama face rub out. You want to use one greater down your mama face, because your mama blood clot face is coconut. I want to use the blood clot greater down the blood clot coconut. You want to come class people. You want to put up everybody, mama. You want to cuss everybody, mama. And feel mama in the dark. You know your mama ugly in the blood clot. You know your mama stay bad. No blood clot, you want to come class people, mama. It's stinking, girl. Your mama is a walking there and then carry mama down and made the rest of me. Don't pay them say, no, you're too ugly. Can't stay down here. Appear pretty people dead. Ugly people not dead, my love. You have to go down and me pen blood clot cemetery where they zoom compare them there. I don't go to them are. Move your bitter body, sour body, blood clot, stinky dinky. When I get up a pure water, post the water now, blood clot drain and then because I need even blood clots. So you can't talk about rotten stinking girl. Me can't rat my love cause free insurance me having a blood clot from love and me got a doctor quick and fast na blood clots. Move and go away. Stinking big to a big foot blood clot. Girl, I want a man boom a back line in your blood clot and you want to come class. Girl, go for your picnic. But every minute you got police station. Police are gonna do. Me can't class me stinking Shay. You can't class me dirty girl. Me not take blood clot bust in a European me but me take plain. Me not take bus in a year me travel. Me go buy a plane no blood clot. I want like a boss bitch. More like a boss bitch. I go in the blood clot airport. So me not take blood clot $20 bus. You ever broke a pure $20 bus? She me can't broke blood clot. My motor power, my body a power no blood clot. I'm a cocky a tonic. Boy, I go lock up. Next time she go them I go lock her up. I want where the police station she going to come. I need to call the blood clot police station. I need to call the blood clot police station when she go every minute. We never see the name come. We need to call the blood clot police station. Look, they need to lock her up, man. What if the police station on social media? They find social media, teen people. Teen people, I need to know the blood clot social. I need to know for the police station, my love car. I mean, if you know it, I'm going to use the number and trap down your blood clot. I say what I want behind you. I'm going to show you how bad I am. It's a FBI, no bitch. I'm going to tell you, don't come for me, you know. You know, so me get everything. For years, I work because people nobody never put up your mama yet. For years, I work nobody never put up your mother yet. Bitch, I'm going to tell you something. You see that picture where you come from, your cousin them hate you. You see them blood clot cousin them on the library come class. Me she need to come tell you the blood clot show. But all you after remember me drink water you. The same cousin them on the library class. Me the same blood clot cousin send me friend the picture and the girl send the picture to me. Well, we can scan Donny. I saw me get the picture. Yeah. The same blood clot was with the panel I love send the girl the picture and the girl send the picture to me. For years they walk across people and nobody never put up your mama yet. Never. My mother's on social media. My mother, them tell my mother come out for my life, yes, so. My mother not afraid. Yeah, back in the days everybody know we cranny and stay bad. But a matter in time now. Everybody look good now. You ask me back in the blood clot is my cranny and shashi. I know me turn good now to blood clot. Me pan no. Hey girl, 2024 life good you know. Because back in a blood clot 2019 we cranny and stay by that mash. I love for your blood clot crackers teen. We cranny and for your crackers blood clots in me love. So now we're 2020 blood clot for girl for stay good and girl for look good me love. You can't hold and shashi in a 2020 blood clot for me love. You can't look at a 2020 blood clot for anyway. Look at that means are dead. Huh? Stinking Shay. You want to come class blood clot people? Mama come like I don't know Afghanistan she come from. Shay, pack your things and go back at 80 with your family. My love can not come from Jamaica, my love. Go back down a blood clot Pakistan, my love kind of very ugly. You bright no blood clot, but every minute about 10 times she got the police station for me. Yeah, run, got blood clot police station. What you and the police them go do? You and the police them can't do not want blood clots. Because the whole blood, the father don't have the opinion like she a blood clot tell him. The father is a cokehead. You know see the father mad. They my finger your girl in a blood clot. Me not take up cups. I'm gonna take up water so all of the girl with the 10 finger push. All of the girl with the 10 finger. Put up your hand, girl. Put up your hand. 10 finger. 10. Let go the bird, girl. Let go the bird. Let go the. Me not have 9 finger blood clots. Not have 9 finger. Them my finger your 10 blood clot finger. Them cute and girly. Put up your 10 blood clot finger them. Me not thief and them chop up my blood clot because I'm not with no dirty girl. Me not argue with a girl who can't travel outside of the country. Girl, bye. Girl, bye. No girl will have their man document and I walk in a woman close can't come for my document. Girl, you see there. Destiny in a hits. You can't talk about me stinky dinky. No can't come about me stinking Shay. You walk a keep blood clot and go keep for your mama. Your mama ugly and favor walking dead. Your mama favor rank turn 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in new movie coming out. Catch it on YouTube and catch it on Netflix. No baby and all people allow me love. Because this week your blood clot heart attack. Please come with a back like alcohol my love. And make sure sit down strong no blood clot. Cause the movie you can't watch a movie my love. And please don't lock off the light because dopey I got tear up on a nasty blood clots. Move your nasty blood clots and go. Where you go tell me where they pay me? The world know my man got a blood clot. You can't tell me no I'm love my body clean. Me not no syphilis, me not no AIDS a blood clot. Where you go tell me my love? The world you come talk about say me is a blood clot donkey. Me supposed to be a donkey but no boy never left me. It's a me left blood clot man Shay. You never in our relationship 5 years my love. Every man beat them say smell stink my love. Me never stink up no boy a blood clots. Me never stink up no boy coming up for wash out my body no blood clot. Move your stinky dinky blood clot and go. You come talk about this and that and territory. Move your blood clot. I'ma see you put up the boy away. The boy away put up on your poet Shay. What me send you? The boy no come from Jamaica, the boy come from Bahamas. And the boy come from the life brawling and say, baby, I love you. The boy say, who that mad girl you talk to? The boy say, baby, me love you, no blood clots. No man now tell us them love you, a pure madman love you. The only blood clot writing man, me say they love you are crazy. And crazy me can't mad out. Crazy have a new woman and you just a mad. So me love you just a mad, so you just a mad, so you just a mad, so you just a mad. Oh, already you walk and lick out pure body all. You walk and eat pure bottom. And you walk come class people stinking pop up more girl. Go for your pitney. I mean I stop say if you go for your blood clot pitney, but too careless, my love. Me not understand how you live in Belgium, my love, and you see the pitney we are blood clot England. Well, England and Belgium is the border, right? But you take your blood clot pitney, my love. And you send a pitney and blood clot England. You have intention to give away your blood clot pitney, my love. Because at the end of the day, my love, you could have take your blood clot pitney and go in a crazy house. But no, you want to go near blood clot bottom. Because no pussy in there, man. I will if I put crazy pop in your mouth. Brrr. Pure water shit. Brrr. Pure fat. Brrr. Rat shit. Brrr. Axe shit. Brrr. Every type of shit. Brrr. Shit chunk shit. Brrr. Shit for years. Brrr. Me say that evil blood clot tile it here. Brrr. Me say that evil plunger can't help you. Brrr. Acid can't help you. Brrr. The toilet run over. Brrr. The toilet paper in the brrr. A pure blood clot. You just eat shit for years. So you want to come class, girl. Remember our tiny battle. Sexy, thank you, baby. Remember one little battle catch up in your mouth of your corner, yeah, so. One little battle catching in your mouth corner. She no come for me, girl. Cause you can't talk about me. You can none of you can come for me. All the whole I know come for me and have to prove my love. And the hungry belly batty man with the name Tiki. Look here, remember I tell you something, I don't argue with 876. Go down to Afghanistan and get a plus 39,6 number. I don't argue with dirty batty man. That very stinking dirty, okay? Because empty barrel make the most nice. You're a very stinking dinky batty man. And you're very big, okay? And I don't argue with people like you. Because bitch, let me tell you something. Why in Jamaica trying to go through the border? I'm in Switzerland, I'm ready living my fucking life. So get the fuck out of here. You stinking germs, yo. You piece of shit, yo. You want to come class? I want to can't class me. No, I can't class blood clot me. Me have a shit phone on him. Remember nobody now watching off for coming and forget views. Sexy, thank you so much, mama. You have a coming and forget blood clot views. Go for your pitney. Go for your blood clot pitney, my love. Go for your pitney, mama. Me don't really cuss again, you know. You don't notice me don't really cuss? I like to carry out evidence and proof. You can imagine, yeah, bring me down how much days now. I mean, I answer, I say, alright, that girl don't know me, you know, God. I want to do some things that girl don't know me. You see me tell us if you leave me alone, you know, girl. Can you see me? You maybe see me, but don't know me.